What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ACH Alchemy Pay, which has pumped up over 30% in value in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just over 3 cents in value, as you can see here. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down in value? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up in value over the next couple of hours, days and weeks and so on? And also, as usual, going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and overall in 2023. How high can Alchemy Pay go? And is a crypto worth investing into in 2023? So, as you guys can clearly see, the crypto market is up today. Bitcoin nearly 15% up, Ethereum over 10%, so on and so on. This comes as the crypto, I wouldn't say a crash, but it's gone through quite of a dip late last week, guys. And right now it's slowly starting to recover. So yeah, I did expect it to somehow recover in value this week, and it's happened today. So Alchemy Pay, let's have a look. Going into the Coinbase website here, we can see the market is up a massive 10% in value, and Alchemy Pay is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So zooming into the hourly chart, what can we see here? It's pumped up 8% in the last hour itself. Over the last day, 35% up. Over the week, just about 2%. As you can see, most of last week it was down. Since literally the start of last week all the way up until the end, it was dropping in value all up until late last night and earlier this morning as well, where it pumped up. And over the month is an overall 121%. As you can see here, it's gone up over 230%, nearly 250% back in late February. But ever since then, it's been dropping in value. But right now, it's slowly starting to pump up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 300%, making it $166 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are trading Alchemy Pay right now, as it is one of the top gainers. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it. And it's very likely the trading volume is much likely to go even higher over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Alchemy Pay, which at the moment is in purple here at 0.03308 cents, and we can see it trading at a very close value here in green at 0.03267 cents, meaning it's performing on target and just like it's meant to. So yeah, so far so good. Let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are likely to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Alchemy Pay to be trading just hitting about 4 cents in target is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, do expect dips in between. That's always part of the process. Even earlier today, as you can see, pumped up in value, dropped back down, pumped up, dropped back down, and it is going to be a repeated cycle of pumps and drops, but the overall outcome and the overall movement seems to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is once again expected from Alchemy Pay over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be just about hitting the 5 cents target is what my predictions are. And again, I'm not saying it's gonna, go above 5 cents or completely 100% hit that, but heading towards the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of this week and early next week as well. But again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely we are going to hit red days in between, take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a drop, but the green days are very likely to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Alchemy Pay over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we are not looking as great. We've got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line looking bearish, meaning both the lines are going the opposite direction to each other, and that is only because of the pump that's taking place and the drop that's been taking place last week. It's a mixed signal, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid-May 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Alchemy Pay. Nothing too crazy, nothing major, but I'm expecting the crypto to be heading to around 10 cents by mid to late May 2023. Yes, to some of you guys it may seem like a major increase, a crazy increase in fact, but again guys, if we manage to give it approximately 2 months, I'm pretty sure if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, then we should be able to hit the 10 cents without a doubt. But again, you know how cryptocurrency is, guys. It's a very volatile market. Any little news can have a major positive or negative impact on the value of not just Alchemy Pay but the crypto market in general, and anything like that I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Alchemy Pay for both the short and the long term. But again, as I mentioned, do expect dips in between over the next few hours and next few days as well. But the overall outcome seems to be more up towards the positive direction, which means so far so good for Alchemy Pay. And as I mentioned, 10 cents should be hit by mid to late May 2023, but it could happen way before that if the crypto market decides to go for a major pump or anything like that. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Alchemy Pay, guys. What I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Alchemy Pay to be hitting the 10 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much for all the support, as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.